Happy New Year! This is Ricardo with Kolter, and this is your Arthouse construction update. We've been very busy over the past couple of weeks with structure and other infrastructure. We've had a lot of progress. I'm actually standing right in front of the covered parking area and what will eventually be the entrance to your lobby. So much progress. We are now done with structural pours and infrastructure for all of our parking decks. Come on, let's go take a peek at some more progress. Here we are, level 9. We call it Cloud 9, an entire deck dedicated to amenities just for you. As you can see right now, we have an active pour. This darn deck is so big, we've divided it into 3 separate concrete pours. The active pour region will be where we have our spa, our movie theater, and our fitness center. The area where I'm standing right now, which is actually going to be poured in our second pour, is the actual outdoor dog park, followed by guest suites. Let's go take a peek at some more. Here we are in an area that we call Phase 3, still on Cloud 9. It's that large. Right now, the team is forming the areas that are consisting of the outdoor pool and spa, outdoor lounge area, outdoor kitchen, your interior club room, private dining, and most important, luxury relaxation space. Arthouse, luxury living in the heart of downtown St. Petersburg.